crafters and Lego friends, Twoloosebricks here with another Lego quick review from the Fantastic Beasts series, Lego Harry Potter, and it is set 75951, and it is Grinderwalds Escape. Now, you can say Grinderwalds or Grindelwald or whatever the pronunciation is of it. I don't know. I have not watched the movie, so don't quote me on it. I don't know what it is, but if you look up the pronunciation on Wikipedia, they give different pronunciations for it. So I am going with my pronunciation, Grindelwald, just like it says on the box in plain English, Grindelwald. So anyway, this is the Thestral. I love that little thing. It is really cool. Now, I'm not sure. Feels very rubbery on the tips, so if you do have an allergy to rubber, be very careful because it is very pliable. It may be a plastic, but it's bendable, so, you know, there's a rubber content in there, I think, in those wings. Now, these parts here that look like magic or water or something, I don't know exactly what it is. I'll have to watch the movie to find out. They're really, really neat. And of course the minifigures are unique as well. So I like the fact that you can take the roof of the carriage off and you can see inside, and it's got like a seat and like a little bench, and you can also open the doors. That's very, very sweet in itself. So we can put the roof back on, and that's neat. It has a little step stool there to get up on, and the seat for the driver, and a seat for some more passengers, or rear driver if you want to call it that, in the back. Now, I know they went with sort of a steel colored wheel, so that is kind of cool. Usually in carriages they are like, you know, brown for wood and steel wheels and whatever, but this is what it is, and it's probably, like I said, you have to pardon me because I have not seen the movie. The little lanterns that they have on the top of the carriage, which is rather kind of cool. Now, what I like about this right here, for these four pieces that are holding up the sort of the back rod, they are the plant pieces, like the fern pieces, and they are molded in black. So that is kind of cool. They have the they have like a little fork thing holding it on to a hinge, and the rod across the top. So, you know, it's really nice. It's all done in black. It certainly fits in with a dark theme, or any of the Harry Potter themes for that matter. So, thoroughly impressed with this. For the price point of $24.99 Canadian, it's not too bad for that price, for the build and what is in it. Good quality parts, and it seems to be right on par with any other carriage that is out there. Now, this is a unique mold that they had made for the Thestral because it has never been made before. So, once again, that's a new mold, and the wings sort of fit on hinges, and that fits down into the middle just like the old-fashioned horse type of thing, that everything's the saddle and all that fits in the middle. So, you know, that's kind of unique, but you can use these on a horse as well, so that's okay. They used, I call them the old space laser cannons here, the two little things that come out on a 2x1 brick plate type of thing, and then they got the lightsaber hilt onto them, which connects up to the harness, and then that connects into the carriage. So that's a cool way of hooking up this or any other horse or that to a carriage or whatever have you. So yeah, now this is the first time I've seen a purple wand, which is really unique, and it also uses the new sloped minifigure bottom to represent a skirt or long dress or robe or something like that. It also has like the sailor hat. I call it the sailor hat because it looks very much like the sailor's hat that was in the collectible minifigure series many series ago with the sailors. So only it is that blue, gray, bluish color for this minifigure, although it may be a new piece that I'm not 100% sure of. I haven't compared them, so I really don't know, but it looks very similar to that. Other than that, the printing on the minifigures is excellent. No printing on the back of her head, just on the back of her top part of her robe there. Now, there is a double printing on this guy's, oops, there's a double printing on his face. So you can have a sour face, or even sour. You can have sort of the angry style face, or the puzzled face, I guess you want to call it. So that's kind of neat. And we'll put him back there. We'll put him there on the driver's seat. And that's about it. So that's just a quick overview and review of my thoughts and opinions on Grinderwalds' Escape from the Fantastic Beasts series, set 75951. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe down below. If you have any comments, please let me know. If you have any questions, also let me know. And in the meantime, don't forget to hit that notification bell so it will go ding in your inbox, and you will know when I have any future endeavors and videos coming up on the channel, and we will talk to you again soon. And remember, if you can dream it, you can build it.